Hey now, you're a math star. Get your game on. Go count. Hey now, you're a math star. Get your game on. Go add. When all that counting is done, we'll be adding sums. How are you, math stars? So, we've been learning about shapes this module. We're in module 16, lesson 3 today. And we've been learning about shapes. We learned about the circle. We learned about the square. Wonder what we're going to learn about today. Do you remember what we learned about the circle? First of all, it's two-dimensional, means flat. And then we learned about its sides. It has curved sides, right? And then we learned about the square. And we learned that it has 4 equal sides and 4 vertices. Remember what vertices is special fancy name for? Corners. All right, so I wonder what shape we're going to learn about today. Let's go. Module 16.3. I can identify and describe triangles. Ooh, now before we get started, triangles. Tri in math means 3. Triangles, 3 angles. Let's see. All right, here we go. Let's describe this shape. How many sides does it have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3 sides. Now, how many corners or vertices does it have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Now, I told you a triangle means 3 angles. Angles is another kind of fancier word right here. That's this right here. Let me go real quick and show you. This right here is the angle. So if you were to look, it has 1 angle, 2 angles, 3 angles, triangles. But that's not what we're going to call it for this unit. We're going to call them corners or vertices, right? So it has triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. All right. So let's go on. This is a 2-dimensional. It's flat. It's a triangle. This, does anyone know what it's called? If you don't remember, I'm going to do this for you. What if it was turned this way and it had a yummy, sweet, cold sphere on top? It'd be an ice cream what? What part would this be? The cone, ice cream cone. So that's a cone. All right. So 3-dimensional, 2-dimensional, right? All right. You're on page 413 in your book. Listen to the story. Talk about the shapes you see. Mark an X on the items Franklin buys. So Franklin goes to the bakery. He buys items that are flat with 3 sides and 3 corners. So here we have some flat cookies, all right? And let's see, this one right here. Does it have, it's flat. Does it have 3 sides? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not that one. How about this one? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, it has 3 sides. How many corners? 1, 2, and 3. So this is a triangle that he buys. He buys only the kind that are flat with 3 sides and 3 corners. So you can pause this while you circle all, or, oh, I circled it. I'm sorry. We're not supposed to circle it, are we? We're supposed to put an X on it. Ay, math wizard. Put an X on all of the triangles or all of the shapes that have 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay. All right. You can pause this now. All right, go to the next page. Mark an X on all the objects shaped like a triangle. Well, let's see. Which objects are shaped like a triangle? Is this shaped like a triangle? Nope, so leave it alone. How about this one? What is that shaped like? Circle. Is this shaped like a triangle? Yes. So we're going to put an X on it. How about this one? Yeah, they're triangle napkins. How about this box? No, that's a cube. How about this ball? That's a sphere. How about, ooh, that's a cylinder. Not that one. How about, well, the plate is a circle. How about the piece of pie on here? Yep, that's a triangle. And how about the pie? What is that called? It's a pie server, I think. Yep, that part is a triangle. All right. You're going to color the flat shapes. Now, remember, we talked about this in the other two modules. How can you tell if it's flat? Well, it's on my paper. It's obviously flat, except that we're looking at what the shapes are representing. This is representing. You see those lines? Those lines means it's a curved side. These are supposed to be cones, right? So that would make them three-dimensional, not two-dimensional, so they're not flat. All right. And the same right here with these cubes. It's this represents a cube, which would not be flat. I helped you out with what's flat and what's not. Okay, so you can pause this now and go ahead and color the flat shapes. All right. Trace each side of the triangle. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. Now, how many, here's that big fancy word, how many vertices? Can you write that number there? You can pause it while you do that. All right. You're going to mark on X on all the shapes that have 3 sides and 3 vertices. All right. Now, I want you to look at something real quick. I'm going to go right here. Do you see this? Just like we did yesterday with a square. Does it matter? Is that still a triangle? Is that still a triangle? Does it matter which way it's rotated? No, it still has 3 sides, and 3 angles. There's another type of triangle that I want to show you, because you might see some that look like this, right? And this is also a triangle. How many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3. And how many vertices? 1, 2, 3. So even though it's not shaped like a tent quite, right? It is still a triangle because it has 3 angles and 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 sides. All right. So keep that in mind as you're looking at these. Some of them might be shaped a little different. Okay, pause this while you do that. All right, 2 on your own questions. Please go find your homeschool teacher and have them read the instructions to you, and you can show them. It's your turn to show them how much you know about a triangle. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.